Imagine never having to worry about your social media presence being inconsistent ever again. Imagine being able to post across multiple social media platforms multiple times a week with less effort required than what you're probably already putting in for one or maybe two LinkedIn posts a week. Well, you might think that I'm just talking crap and something like this doesn't actually work. And I'm happy to say that I'm not talking crap and something like this is doable. And thanks to AI and the automation softwares we currently have, we were able to create something similar for a client here at Mihiverse AI. My name is Mihi, and I'm the owner of Mihiverse AI. We help businesses save time, money, and basically spare them a whole lot of workload just by leveraging AI. And what we built for this specific client was a social media system that allowed him to constantly post on YouTube, on Instagram, and on LinkedIn. He already had a YouTube channel, he was already posting there, but his issue was that he was inconsistent. And he was inconsistent because he didn't have time to always do the research and get the information to create the content about. So we built him a two-step system or a two-step solution, if you want to call it that. The first step was solving the problem of generating the content. So we created a system powered by AI to basically we just need an input. We just need the idea, the subject, the topic the client wants to talk about in his video. And from there, the AI will perform a search. It will grab the top three or the first three organic search results from Google. And from the three search results, whether they are blogs, newsletters, or other information sources, from those three, it will create a YouTube transcript for the client. The YouTube transcript tailored to the client's personality, to his way of speaking, and just to the client himself. And when the client uploads the video, the second step begins. The second step is then taking the information from the YouTube content or from the YouTube video, and we repurpose it across the other social media platforms. And from one YouTube video, you can create 5 or even more unique posts for LinkedIn, Instagram, and other social media platforms. And you basically have from one YouTube video content for the upcoming week, so you don't have to worry about staying consistent. So I'm gonna share my screen and I'm gonna show you what we did for the client. So as you can see on my screen now, we are in Google Sheets and we have 4 columns, one for idea, the other 3 are for blog 1, 2, and 3. The idea column is connected to our N8N workflow. N8N allows you to connect multiple apps and softwares to help you streamline your work, basically to help you make your life easier. And this workflow will perform a search. It will return the top 3 organic Google search results on the topic or on our input. It would read the content from the first 3 search results, and based on that, it would create a YouTube transcript. So let's say you want to create a video, you want to make a video about the latest AI news for real estate, something like that, and we can test it out. So now it will search our input on Google. It will return the top 3 Google search results. It would read the content and it would send the content, whether it's a blog or a newsletter or whatever, to our AI agent, who then creates the YouTube transcript. It will write it in a Google Doc and it would save it here into your Google Drive. And on Google Sheets, you see from where the AI got the information. So if you can read it yourself, then just to check if it's accurate or if it is to your liking. And the workflow should be done. Okay, now it will take a little bit more. And when the AI finishes reading all the content, it would create the document with the Google transcript. And there you go. So you have a YouTube transcript with the hook, we can also add timestamps to it just to make sure that the video or the transcript is to the right length. For example, make the YouTube video or make the transcript for a 10 or 15 minutes YouTube video. So we have the transcript there. As I said, it's not prompted now to the Mac. This is just for the demo purposes to see how it would look like. And that would be step one done. All right, with step one done, the user or the client uploaded the YouTube video. Now we want to create the social media posts for the other social media platforms. And there are two ways in how you can get the transcript. You might be wondering why we're not using this transcript. We're not using it because the user or the client, the content creator, is not going to be saying the exact words, word for word, letter for letter. Of course, they're gonna be changes, and the user will add his personality to it, which is also why we need the actual YouTube transcript. So there are two ways in how you can do it. You can either, as soon as the client or the user uploaded the YouTube video, you can scrape the link. You can get the link automatically, or have the YouTube or have the client just copy and paste the YouTube video into the Google Sheet. I prefer the second version of having the user copy in the Google link him or herself, because it just reduces the risk of the tool or of the scraper getting the wrong link, and we don't want that. So we're gonna just try it out on this Mr. Beast video, and yeah, we're gonna add the link to this Google Sheet. This Google Sheet, we have 3 sheets down there for LinkedIn and Instagram. And here in the first sheet, we have the YouTube link. We're gonna have the title of the YouTube video, just to make sure that it's the correct one, the date of when the YouTube video was uploaded, and then the transcript. And then we have the LinkedIn sheet where we have where we're gonna add our 5 unique LinkedIn posts, and to each post we're gonna have 3 different variations, so the user can pick and choose which variation he or she likes the most. Each post, well, it's the same for Instagram, also 5 Instagram posts, but each post is gonna be unique. It's gonna be a different topic and a different target, different hooks, different hashtags, but they're all, or the AI agents creating those posts, those social media posts, are backed by thousands of high quality LinkedIn posts, backed by SEO optimized hashtags, just to get the best quality out of it. So when we add the YouTube link here to this column, it functions the same as with this blog scraper. As soon as we add it, this make.com automation, make.com workflow will start working. If you're not familiar with make.com, it's basically the same as N8N, but we're using it for this second step, and we're not using N8N just because we have the Epify module here, and Epify is a scraper. When using Epify, we're gonna get the YouTube transcript. So let's copy this link, and we add it here, and we press enter. And now the workflow begins to work. We're getting the YouTube transcript, and we're sending the transcript to each agent. We have an agent specialized for creating the LinkedIn posts, and we have an agent specialized for creating the Instagram posts. And what you can also add is you can create shorts from the long form content, have that automated as well, creating short form content so you can post it on YouTube Shorts or on TikTok as well. And you can do it for basically any social media platform you wish to post on. And now if we go back to the Google Sheet, you see we added, or the AI added the title, the date of the video, and we also got the entire transcript. And this is all being sent, this transcript is being sent to each agent, which will create the LinkedIn and Instagram posts. And this might take a while. Well, the first one is finished, the LinkedIn posts. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LinkedIn posts, and in each cell we have different variations. And as I said, this is not prompted to the max. Otherwise, it would be more clean, and you can clearly see where the first variation begins, where the second one begins. But for this, you can see where the hashtags end. That's where the variation ends, and after that, the second variation starts. And those are all high quality posts. You can of course add the posts directly to your LinkedIn or to your Instagram account, but I prefer that the user reviews them first, and they pick and choose which one they like the most. And for the visuals, we can also add or we can also create Canva templates then later down the road, after we have a specific type of content that we want to post. But because we're using YouTube, it is simple to add visuals. You can just add the part where you're talking about the things from the post, from the YouTube video, and just add them to your LinkedIn or Instagram. And the Instagram is also finished. Same as with LinkedIn, 5 unique posts about different topics with different ways of attacking the subject, with hashtags, for LinkedIn with the CTAs as well. So yeah, and from one YouTube video you can create 5 posts, and you have content for the next 5 days. So we reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, I'd really appreciate if you can leave a like, and feel free to ask me questions in the comments below. And if you're a business owner and you would like to integrate AI into your business, then there is a link down there that would take you to my Calendly, and feel free to book a free consultation call where we just have a chat about it and see what can be done. Other than that, I wish you everyone a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.